Valeria from the iGMS Customer Experience team, and today I will show you how to manage invoices for Booking.com and direct booking channels on iGMS. Most vacation rental platforms have different rules and settings for invoice management. For example, invoicing for Airbnb and VRBO reservations is automatically processed by the parent platform. Payment and invoice management for Booking.com and direct booking channels can be done via iGMS and the secure Stripe payment system. To collect online payments for reservations from Booking.com and manual direct bookings, please make sure that you already have a connected Stripe account to iGMS. Note that within iGMS, users can have only one Stripe account. Now let's see how to manage invoices for manual reservations. Let's say you've got a reservation request from a guest on Facebook. Here's how you can proceed. First, open the single property calendar for the property the guest booked at. Click on the requested dates and on the right sidebar hit Book. Next, enter the guest's contact information on a reservation card and click the pencil button to view the payout details. The invoice will be created by the system immediately. Once the invoice is created, you can share it with your guests. Here's how you can do it. Mark the checkbox Send the invoice to guest email when creating a direct reservation on iGMS, and the system will send an email on your behalf. After creating a reservation, open the invoice and click the Send to Guests email button. If you do not have access to your guest email, open the invoice and click the Copy Link button. This way, you can share this link via text message, WhatsApp, or any other messenger. Now, let's check the information displayed in the invoice preview section. First, open a reservation card from the single property calendar and click on the Invoice sub-tab on the upper right corner. You can see that the Invoice sub-tab is divided into three sections. Invoice, where you can track the status of the invoice and adjust the billing information. Payments, where you can add manual transactions, for example extra services or a refund. And reservation details, where you can see the information on the reservation and rules of accommodation. Now let's see how to add a manual transaction. First, scroll to the payment details, click on the New Transaction button and fill in the requested amount. Next, select the manual transaction type, Payment, set the date for the transaction and hit Add. As you can see, with iGMS you can easily manage online transactions for your Booking.com and manual reservations. For more information, please visit our help desk or reach out to our customer care team via email or chat. We're always here to help you.